Hello, hello, how are you? We are in the middle of a heat wave, so I am looking disheveled. However, I got a little package today and I thought I'd unbox it with you. So I am unboxing my Orelia jewellery package. This is the second piece of jewellery I have from them, and I'm really excited about it. Also, I have a cheeky little discount code, so if you want to buy anything, use the link in the description, and yeah, I'll also put it in the pinned comments. That's where I'll put it. I was like, where do I put it? I'll put it there. It's in the description. Feel free to use it. It gives you a nice hefty discount, so enjoy. Anyway, let me show you what I've got. Oh, actually, before we get started, I just want to let you know I have ordered from the Orelia Luxe collection, which means this piece of jewellery is solid silver with gold plating. Some of their jewellery is brass with gold plating. This piece is solid silver with gold plating, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be a good one. So yeah, I'm going to crack it open. So here it is. I'm just ripping it open with one hand. Hello, hello, look what we've got. I have to say, this is beautiful packaging. It reminds me of like a parasol. It's lovely. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. I'm very new. I want to see how it's all packaged. I want to see how it feels. It feels very special. Look at that envelope. Okay, so inside the envelope, there is an Orelia Luxe little suede package. It's very pretty. And then open her up again. And inside we will find the jewellery. Let's shake it out. Just so you know, it's really hard filming with one hand. I'm just putting it out there. Bear with me. Okay, here she is. She's just a little pendant because I already have an Orelia necklace. And I thought, why buy the chain when I just want the pendant? So here she is. She's a beautiful star with a pearl in the middle. And I just, oh, I don't know. When I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. I think it's beautiful. And so there she is. Let's put her on a necklace. Also, I cannot recommend enough investing in a few nice chains. And then when you buy new jewellery, just buy new pendants. It will save you a lot of money. And it just feels less wasteful. So here is a necklace on a pendant. Wait, no, pendant on a necklace. You know what I mean. And here she is. I'm wearing her now. She's on quite a long length chain. So I feel like I'm kind of flashing the boobs a bit here. But yeah, it's gorgeous. I can wear it a little bit higher. I can wear it a little bit lower. There it is, the money shot. And yeah, I just think it's really pretty. I can layer it up with other chains. I can layer it up with other pendants. And I just love it. I think it's beautiful. I'm so thrilled with it. So there we go. That is my video. Enjoy the discount code and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.